S.Saranya, working as the Assistant Professor from SNS College of Engineering. Today my students Rahul Suri is take about their seminar on Q learning in machine learning.
Q learning is a type of one of the type of the reinforcement learning algorithm. It is what makes a decision by interacting with the user at a certain environment circumstance. Under the certain environment circumstance, there will be a decision taken, and as per the memory records, it uses this as an previous record to take the decision in the upcoming units. This is what is called as optimal action selection. In optimal action selection, the actions can be taken from the previous memory code. This can be used as a reference to the user and can be used again as per the user's preference. This optimal action selection uses the previous code to train the agents. It does this by learning the Q values. These Q values are used in this Bellman equation. The Bellman equation is what makes the decision making, and this equation you can see as this term, and these terms are the Q values, and the Q values are the Q, S, A, and everything are stored in the Q values, and in the stored Q functions are taken in the equation. By doing this, the Bellman equation is formed, and as per the calculation, the decision will be taken as per the user's need. In the Bellman equation, this stands for the learning rate, and this stands for the reward received after taking the action, and this stands for the discount factor, and this stands for the new state after taking the action, and this stands for the positive action for the taken after the new state. The key ideas of this Q learning are is the model field. The agent does not need how the environment works. They just need to know what the user's preference. It does not need to know what is the environment or the circumstances. It just needs to know only the user's preference and the user's regular decision making rules. And it is to balance the exploration and exploitation. Exploitation is the typical based option, and exploration is playing a new field. The exploration and the exploitation is balanced in this both circumstances, taking the decision by using the Bellman equation. It's used, there are many usages for this. Like for example, robotics. In this robotics, the decision making is one of the crucial skills in the robotics. For which the Bellman equation is a must usage thing in the robotics, which makes it comfortable for the user and knows the user preference and make use of the age circumstance in the environment. You can easily adapt to the user preference. For example, you can easily adapt to the user preference and can make a decision by taking the previous answers and questions you are asked to do in the previous memories. And it starts by initiating the queue and then choose an action from the queue that is this, and perform the action and take the reward and update the queue, and this is directly go to the thing. This is the loop that is formed in this section. It starts by initiating, choose an action from the equation and perform this action and take the reward, and after that it directly goes to the it does this this loop runs only place when the user gets this derived answer. There are 5 types in this Q learning, which is basic Q learning, deep Q learning, and double Q learning, and dual Q learning, multi-agent Q learning. These 5 things